Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the word meaning concerning to the place. As you can see, how exactly the van which has got the whole facilities of how we can live. This is one thing where we can stay. That is a caravan. So let us see how exactly the meaning of one word substitution will be asked in exams. Abattoir. Abattoir is the place where animals are slaughtered. We knew that animals are slaughtered and we will have the meat. So that is abattoir where it is slaughtered. Archipelago, a sea with a small group of islands. It's a group of islands actually. Andaman is one type of archipelago. The biggest archipelago in the world, that is Indonesia. Arsenal, that means a building equipped with a powerful telescope for astronomical observation, that is known as Arsenal, where we will find where maximum Hubble Space Telescope and various telescopes you will find over there for astronomical observations and activities. Aerodrome, a ground for the arrival and departure of aeroplanes. As we can see, aeroplane takes off and landed. That place is where the ground place, that is known as aerodrome. We have the armory or arsenal. This is one thing we have to remember, where arms are kept. Arms mean that is concerning to the, you have to remember that where they can keep the guns and all the arms and ammunitions are kept. Altar, a raised place on which offerings to God are made. This is one thing what we have to remember is, it's a raised place on which offerings to God are made. As you can see, these are all altars you will find in some temples. Abode, a place for permanent residence, that is abode. Abroad means it's a foreign. Aquarium, a tank where fish or water plants are kept, that is freshwater fishes are kept for the show purposes. Asylum, a place of refugee, lunatics and safety where the people get stay for the some period. Next we have archive, where government or public records are kept, that is one type of archive. Next we have the auditorium. As you can see, auditorium where the people get assembled and the speech is given by the person, or even a movie hall is one type of an auditorium. Apiary, I told you, avi means bird, api means bees, where bees are kept or farming, that is apiary. Arena, where wrestling is done. As you can see, arena is one type of, this is also one type of arena, and arena where wrestling will take place, that place is also an arena. Here we have barracks, where soldiers live. We used to live in the barracks. It means we are ready to go for any time where we can directly responsible to take charge whatever the duties, that is barracks where the soldiers live. Boutique, a small shop that sells fashionable clothes, as well as, you should remember, this is one type of trending business for the girls. Next we have bottleneck, a situation that stops an activity from progressing, that is bottleneck. After that there is no growth in this situation, it's a bottleneck situation. Boulevard, that is a broad road bordered with the trees, is boulevard. So please remember this. This is a broad road bordered with trees, that is known as boulevard. Next we have burrow or warren, hole excavated by an animal as dwelling, that is by a hare or rabbit. As you can see how exactly mongoose and these are all where they directly go into that hole, that is burrow or warren. Next we have barren, a land that goes not grow anything. So in that land you will not get any food, or it's not a fertile land, it's a barren land. So here, as you can see, the biggest island, the active volcano in India is, it's a barren island where you will find in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next we have brewery, where wine or beer is made. As we should remember that wine is made in a place, that place is known as brewery. And where bread is made, that is bakery, you will find the bread in the bakeries. Baking soda is used in bakery. A home of owl, where owl is farmed, that is barn, and as you can see, a home of cow, that is byre. As you can see how exactly the cows, they stay for the farming and they can use for the milk purpose, that is byre. Conservatory, a room for the preservation of plants, that is one thing, conservatory. Next we have cantonment, a permanent military station is a cantonment. Crematorium, where dead bodies are buried, that is crematorium. So I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question paper for various examinations. As you can see how this it is segregated, history as well as all naval question papers and military nursing services, and JK and GS questions have been given. Army selection in 6 hours, it's guaranteed. I had compiled, so you can directly go through that. Next we have corridor, that is a door which opens into rooms by a narrow passage. As you can see, these corridors you will find in front of the rooms where you will be having the opening for the various rooms. Cemetery, where dead bodies are buried, that place is known as cemetery, and where the dead bodies are burned, that is crematorium. Constellation, a number of stars grouped together, that is known as constellation. Cascade, a small waterfall or group of waterfalls flowing down a rocky hillside. As you can see how exactly the cascade, so it is rocky hillside and waterfalls are exist. As you can say a Doodh Sagar, Dua Sagar, there are various waterfalls where you will find these kind of cascades. Cynosure, center of attraction or interest, this is one thing, cynosure. Concentric, having a common center, that is a concentric. As you can see the concentric circles. Condominium, that is an apartment within which each one is owned, is known as condominium. Next we have conventicle, that is secret religious meeting is known as conventicle. Cellar means underground place for storing wine, where the wine is kept and it is stored, that is an underground place. Next we have cage, a cage of birds is cage where we kept the birds inside the cage. Casino, where gambling is played, that is casino. Cloakroom, where the luggage is kept, that is a cloakroom where you will find, that is in railway stations or bus stations we will find this cloakroom. Crematorium, where funeral rites are performed. We knew that in abroad where the population is more and the land is less, there crematorium is done and the ashes be given to you. Next we have caravan, a home of gypsy. As you can see, this is a gypsy where you will have the good type of home, that is known as caravan. These type of facilities be given for the film industry people. As we can see the castle, a home of noble, that is a castle. Chalet, a home of Swiss is a chalet. These are few things, whatever the green color I had made, you can directly go to the pictures and you can directly have it. Coop, a home of fowl is a coop. Next we have dike, a wall built to prevent the sea or river from the flooding, that is known as dike, which are made, a wall built to prevent the sea or river from the flooding. It is a dike, or you can have a dam as well. Next we have dockyard, where ships are manufactured or repaired. We knew that Mazgaon Dock Limited, these are all various dockyards. Biggest dockyard you will find in Mumbai, and it's a natural one of the finest harbor over there. Mazgaon Dock Limited, Goa Shipyard Limited, there are various dockyards where you will find these type of manufacturing of ships and repaired over there. Depot, where goods are stored, that is depot. And granary, that is where you can see the people, they start storing the grains. Dormitory, the sleeping rooms in public institutions, that is one type of dormitory. Emporium, a large retail store, it's also an emporium where you will find a retail market where you will find maximum things to purchase. Equator, an imaginary line around the earth which is very well known. Fertile land that grows things in abundance, that is opposite is barren. Forum, a place of gathering for public discussions, is a forum. Granary, where grains are stored, is a granary. And gymnasium, where exercises are performed, is a gymnasium, that is we should remember. Forum, as you can see to the right, how exactly the place of gathering in public discussions, this is one thing how exactly the forum looks like, that public discussions will be done over there. As we have garage, a place where motor cars are kept and repaired, that is one type of garage. Next we have hangar, that is a building in which aircraft are stored. That is one type of hangar, as you can see, where the aircraft is kept inside that hangar. Harbor, where ships are sheltered, that is a harbor. Hutch, a pen for small animals, that is hutch. Hive, a place for bees where it is kept, that is hive. Hutch, as you can see, wooden box for rabbit is, that is hutch. Isthmus, a narrow stretch of land connecting two lands. Here you will have the gap between the two lands and you will find the isthmus. As you can see, this type of isthmus you will find between India and Sri Lanka. Impenetrable, that is incapable of being penetrated, is impenetrable. Impregnable means incapable of being taken by force of arms, is known as impregnable. Next we have igloo, that is a home of Eskimos where the people stay. That is, we should remember that igloo you will find maximum in cold places. Kennel, a shelter for the dogs where the dogs are, you will find in kennels. Outside the home you will find these kind of kennels where the dogs are kept. Kiln, where bricks are made. This is one thing where the bricks are made. Kraal, that is a home of Zulu, that is kraal. Laundry, where clothes are washed and pressed, that is a laundry, that is done by dhobi. As you can see, mausoleum, a magnificent tomb. How exactly the mausoleum looks like, you can see this is one type of mausoleum where the burial, as you can see, these are all tomb. Mint, where coins are minted, that places, as you can see, Reserve Bank of India has got the mint place where the coins are minted. As you can see, monastery, where monks live, that is a monastery. Monument, a building which is constructed to keep alive one's memory, that is monument. We have next motel, that is one type of hotel for the motorists, whoever want to stay while having a long ride, in which parking and servicing facilities are available in the motel. Museum, where works of art, scientific, valuable are kept, that is a museum. Magazines, where ammunition are stored, that is magazines you will find in the every pistols you will find the magazine in that, where the ammunition is stored in that. Next we have menagerie, that is where wild animals are kept, that is known as menagerie. As you can see how exactly the wild animals are stored for the visiting purpose, they can have the look. Next we have morgue, dead bodies are kept for identification, that is morgue. Mortuary, where dead bodies are kept for post-mortem, that is for the identification morgue, and mortuary is where they are kept for the post-mortem, that is mortuary. Nursery, where young plants are grown, we knew that nursery plants. Observatory, a building equipped with the powerful telescope for astronomical observation, that is an observatory. Orphanage, a place where orphans are housed, so we knew that orphans are housed over there. Next we have orchard, where fruit trees are grown, is known as orchard. Observatory, where astronomical observations are made, that is an observatory. Orphanage, where orphans are kept. Paradise, a place of perfect peace and happiness, is known as paradise. How exactly the paradise looks like, very one of the finest place to live over there. Next we have pantry, a small room in a big house, hotel or ship for cooking. You can see in a ship or hotel where you will have the pantry where the cooking be done. Periphery, boundary of an area. As you can see, it's a boundary of an area, that is known as periphery. Portico or porch, that is roof supported by columns at the entrance of a building, that is one type of portico. There is a roof supported by a column at the entrance of the building. You will find in a 5-star hotels, in front of the hotels, where the car gets initially parked and the people comes out of the car and they move away. There is a pillar type, that is known as portico or porch. Parliament, the supreme law making assembly, is a parliament. Podium means a speaker's platform where the speaker speak in front of the rostrum, that is one type of what we call podium. Next we have the prison, where convicts are kept, that is a prison. Palace, a home of kings, is a palace. Parsonage means a home of noblemen, is a parsonage. Next we have presbytery, that is a home of priest, is known as presbytery. Pavement means a home of vagrant, that is a pavement. Rotunda means a circular building or hall with a dome. How exactly it looks like, this is one type of rotunda. Recess means secret place, difficult to access. That is one type of recess. So that is we can tell a locker is also one type of recess. Reservoir means where water is stored is reservoir. Resort means a place visited for pleasure or health. That is one type of resort. So one type of hotels as well. Sanctuary, a holy or sacred place. That is a sanctuary. Sanatorium, hospital for the treatment of chronic diseases is sanatorium. Synagogue, where Jews worship according to their religion. As we knew that we have the temples as usual, the Jews have got the temples. What that is the name of it? That is synagogue. Even Gurudwara for Sikh community. Scullery, room for washing kitchen utensils is a scullery. Next we have the stable, a shelter for a horse. Where exactly the stable? That place where the shelter is made, and where you will sit on the horse, that place, that is saddles on which you will sit on the horse. Sty, where pigs are kept in the sty. Next we have the sheath, a case in which a sword is kept. That is the sheath. As you can see how exactly the knife or sword is kept inside the sheath. Next we have smithy, where iron implements are forged. That is smithy. Sanatorium, a place to recover from sickness. That is a sanatorium. And again we have the tannery, where leather is tanned. Exactly how exactly the leather has been tanned. This is the place. Vineyard, where grapes are grown. In that place it's a vineyard. Web, a home of spider. That is spider webs the web, and automatically anything gets struck over there. I request you guys to find out wherever the speaker starts speaking, then he will have the one platform in front of him where the small wooden box will be. You will see over there. What is the name of the wooden one where he will keep some papers to read? What is the name of that thing? I want you guys to comment. Whoever is looking this video, I want you guys to comment in this section. That wooden box, wherever, whatever platform on which any paper or books or any slide, whatever the computer or laptop will be kept on that, what exactly the name of that wooden platform? Thank you. I hope these are the questions which I had prepared. I want you guys to call me on 7667302252 or message me. This 2100 PDF will be given for a free of cost. I request you guys to comment me in this section how this video had been made. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.